This video has happened twice before. The name of the channel has been changed twice before, but you know what they say? Third time's the charm. Hey, how's it going? Adil here with TechBomb, bringing you yet another channel update and the first video in 8 months. But unlike any of the previous channel updates where I didn't follow up on what I said or I never did what I promised, this time things are going to be different. If you want to see those videos, I'll have them linked down below so you guys can go ahead and check those channel updates out and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But I suggest you don't watch the 2-year-old channel update video because it was super cringy, and if I'm honest with you, I kind of turned the video off before it reached the 30-second mark. But if you do want to watch that, then by all means that's your choice. I'll have them linked down below for you and you can go ahead and check them out also. But really this shows how much I've improved over the last 2 years and how much I've actually gained knowledge and learned over the last 2 years, which is why I'm finding my 2-year-old videos cringy. So in this video I'm not going to go big and talk about new channel series, giveaways and websites and new channels I'm going to launch and things that I can't deliver on, but in fact I'm going to make this video really straightforward and simple and make sure I deliver what I say. So going forward guys, we are going to be making one video a week, and this is what I'm going to be promising you on. Every Saturday at 12 PM GMT time, so that's GMT time, 12 PM on every Saturday, I'll be uploading a new video, and that is my current and fixed schedule. So if you see another video pop up during the week, that means something has happened, there's an event, and that's why I've kind of popped up a second video in the week. But one video a week is 100% fixed, and I'm not promising anything else. No giveaways. I'm not promising any giveaways. I'm not saying I won't do any, but I won't promise any giveaways. I won't promise any websites, new channel series. These are things that I may do in the future, and I probably will do, but I'm not going to kind of promise them that I'm going to do them because I might not end up delivering them like before, and it's just going to put me off again, and I'll just shut the lid down on my laptop and close the camera and walk out this room because I don't want to do that. I want to sit here and make videos. I want to create content. I want to, test new gadgets out, see how they are and all that kind of stuff. But if you do enjoy it, or if you do want to support me, then please show that by leaving a like down below and hitting that subscribe button, as it'll mean a lot to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, my YouTube family. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. I should say Saturday, 12 PM. Be there.